there! Welcome to our channel. Learning languages by listening and practicing. Let's start. Scenario 1. Casual dining experience.
Good evening. Table for two, please.
Course. Right this way. Here are your menus. Have you dined with us before?
No, it's our first time. What do you recommend?
Our specials today include a delicious grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce and a vegetarian lasagna. They're quite popular.
Those sound tempting. We'll start with the bruschetta as an appetizer. And for the main course, I'll have the grilled salmon, and she'll go with the vegetarian lasagna.
Excellent choices. Would you like anything to drink? We have a selection of wines, cocktails, and non-alcoholic beverages.
Customer, a bottle of your house white wine would be perfect. Thanks.
Waiter. I'll get that started for you. Please enjoy your evening, and I'll be back shortly with your drinks.
Scenario 2. Exploring ethnic cuisine.
Hi there. We've heard your restaurant serves amazing Indian cuisine.
Waiter, yes indeed. Welcome. Would you like to start with some traditional Indian appetizers?
Customer, that sounds wonderful. We'll have the samosas and vegetable pakoras, please.
Excellent choice. And for the main course?
I'm a fan of chicken curry, and she loves biryani. Can you recommend your chef's specialties in those dishes?
Certainly. Our chicken curry is a house favorite, and the biryani is prepared with fragrant basmati rice and an array of spices.
Sounds perfect. We'll go with those. And could we get some garlic naan on the side?
Of course. Anything to drink?
We'll have mango lassi and a traditional Indian chai, please.
Great selections. I'll get your order in right away. Enjoy your meal.
Scenario 3. Dietary preferences and customization.
Hi, we have a couple of dietary restrictions. Are there options for gluten-free and vegetarian dishes?
Absolutely. We have a dedicated section for gluten-free options, and many dishes can be customized to suit vegetarian preferences.
That's fantastic. We'll start with the roasted vegetable salad and a gluten-free flatbread.
Good choices. And for the main course?
I'll go with the gluten-free pasta primavera, and he's interested in the quinoa stuffed bell peppers.
Those are excellent choices for your preferences. Anything to drink?
Just water for now, please.
Sure thing. I'll make sure the kitchen is aware of your dietary requirements. If you need any further customization, feel free to let me know. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.